This is the quick start guide to show how to read the EDL-M5 and the EDL-RF2 wireless devices. You start the MDAS software by double-clicking on the icon on your desktop. You go to File and select Preferences from the drop-down menu. Make sure that EDLNet is checked and is in the menu. And then you want to have the system automatically find the base station. If you find the base station, you can close that. Then from your list of installed loggers, you click on the logger and then select Read Logger. And the MDAS software will have the base station ping all the loggers looking for the response from the logger that you've selected. While it's doing this, it's waking all the loggers and they sit in a suspended mode, waiting for a communication from the base station. Once the base station has found the logger that you're looking for, you can type in comments for the particular file that you're reading the data at this time, and it will append those to the file with the data in it. Then it asks you for a file name to save the data in the standard library with the micro DL or the MDL data. Then it will start reading the logger, and the time it takes to read the logger depends on how much data you have in the logger and the size of the memory. So it will take some time to read all the accumulated data. Once it has read all of the data, it will go ahead, organize it, save it into a file with the comments that you typed in earlier, and you can bring that up at later times by opening it in the MDAS software. Once the data has been read, it will arrange it and then plot it on your screen. You can change the background color by clicking on the icon in the menu bar. You can do various functions with the data once you've got it. You can add horizontal and vertical grid marks. You can change the x-axis from elapsed time to relative time to elapsed time. It's like a stopwatch type of thing. They're all toggle switches. They go back and forth. You can have the zoom function. You can move in. The zoom function, you can grab a specific piece of data by using that icon. You can add the legends on the right hand side to show you if you've got multiple plots which color is associated with which temperature log. You can edit the titles. You can edit the various aspects of the plot. Change the fonts, change the captions, change the titles. All of this is available through the menu. So you can look at the statistics for this particular data set by clicking on Statistics and Information. You can view the data, and this is can be exported as a comma-separated value or other type of data file. And all the other functions are available from the drop-down menu under Graph, so you can edit the properties of the display here. Once again, the availability of the menu buttons to put horizontal and vertical grid marks in the display, and makes it easier to read. You can also change the width of the line if you're having trouble reading it. You can make it thicker just by clicking on the line or by going to the menu item under Graph. So you can see this is a 3-point width on the line. You can make it 2-point. Depends on what style you'd like to see. You can also get an annotation button for a specific data point or a section in the plot. Thank you very much. Let us know if you have any questions or if we can help you. Thank you.